So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon, and now this will appear. Now, in your case, you're going to be having Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi turned on, so it's going to be blue. You're also going to be having airplane mode. Make sure you have airplane mode turned off, which is going to be white. So for Wi-Fi, make sure that you have that on blue, and for airplane mode, make sure that you have that on white. See if that works for you. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search again and type in View Network Connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is not disabled. If it is, then you want to right click on it and then click on Enable. It's now going to enable it. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand Network Adapters. Now you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on Update Driver and then click on Search Automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in Troubleshoot Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Other Troubleshooters. Now you want to find Network and Internet. Click on Run. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in Network Reset. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Reset Now and then click on Yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you could just do it yourself right now, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.